Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new tutorial on how to download this insane modded version of the Pokemon TCG Pocket so you can get unlimited Poké Gold. So as you can see, I've only got 2,980. But when I press this button, as you can see, it brings up this mod menu and you can get unlimited Poké Gold. So I'm going to turn it up all the way. So let's see if it starts rising, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download this Pokemon TCG Pocket mod so you can get unlimited Poké Gold. So let's see if it goes up, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, guys, the Poké Gold should start rising. So there we go, guys. As you can see, it works. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So it's super cool. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you how to get Pokemon TCG Pocket Poké Gold hack. So how exactly are we going to download this? So what we got to do is go over to the website matrixmods.com. So on this site is going to be a bunch of like apps. So just type in Pokemon and then find it, press on it. Now before this downloads, it's going to be like a verification you got to do. So you just got to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's completely for free from official app store, and then you should get the Pokemon TCG Pocket mod onto your device so you can get unlimited Poké Gold. So as you can see, it says almost there. So this is where we got to download the apps. So we got like Travel Town, which says reach level 9. So we just press continue. Takes me to the app store. I just got to play this till I hit level 9. So that's pretty easy. So yeah, just make sure you do 2 of these. You're going to be good to go. So that's how to get the modded version of Pokemon TCG Pocket. So yeah, it's super cool. So you just want to make sure you're playing like 2 of these apps, following the instructions, and you're going to be all set, guys. So it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, if you guys like this type of stuff, be sure to try it out for yourself because this is super cool and it fully works. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, that's how to download Pokemon TCG Pocket hack so you can get unlimited Poké Gold. So as you can see, I got tons of Poké Gold right there, so it actually works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys. You literally just got to download